So ladies and gentlemen, that concludes my statement. I will now be opening up the floor to questions. Order. Yes, order.
There have been suggestions that the central bank is in fact behind the black market. That you are in fact the ones supplying the black market with the new notes.
Huh?
There's been reports.
Yeah, I heard you. Clearly you did not hear me. Because my whole statement, I alluded to the fact that we are actually doing everything in our power to bring these nefarious characters and culprits to book. Tikatowabata vanhu vatovamangarira kumapurisa because we are not happy. They are making the whole government look bad. Team subtitles, muise subtitles, kuti message isvike kune munhu wese kuti vanhu vazive kuti we are doing everything. Now, next question.
Yes. Mr. Governor, why did you elect to only print $2 and $5 notes when it could have been more easier for you to print bigger notes?
That's actually a good question. We are saying we would have loved to print bigger notes, my 20, my 50, my Y. But as it stands, our printer, it's an inkjet, a HP inkjet, and it can only print my $2 and my $5. So that's the problem that we have. Bigger printers under Mari Chai, and as you know, Nika yedu haina Mari. So that's order, guy. Yes.
Can you comment on the newly proposed budget and why is there provision for space research?
I cannot speak on that yet because that's the minister. The minister just announced. But what I can say is I would like to assume that it's obvious why the space research. So the government is doing what it can to explore other places that we can go